Let's just wait for this car to pass real quick.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? So I am teaching Alyssa how to drive.
No, reverse first.
Make sure, hey, stop real quick. Before you reverse, you always need to put your hand right here and look back while you're reversing.
But I already looked at there was something there.
You have to continue to look, because anything could just run out in front of you.
That makes sense. Well, I guess we're gonna do it. What was it, the mailbox?
Wow, you 360, bro.
I wasn't the mailbox.
No.
Oh, Ronnie's outside.
Wanna go that way again?
Yeah, we're gonna go this way again.
So slowly accelerate, don't just, you have to.
Wait, I gotta straighten myself out.
Slowly accelerate.
My dad was outside.
But blinker.
Oh yeah.
You're supposed to put on a blinker 100 feet before you turn.
Really?
Yeah. Don't ask me
You
how
guys
much 100 feet is because I
don't-
barely know that.
Don't like judge me because you know I'm like 15 and still haven't taken it.
Okay, so you.
Quick comment, sorry that throughout the video you're going to hear rattling. It's from my tripod. Anyways, continue watching. Thanks.
Have to have your eyes everywhere.
Yeah,
so
I know.
25, you're always looking in your rear view mirror, always looking in that mirror, always looking in that mirror.
Oh my god, driving's so hard.
Why? Because you have to be a defensive driver, and if anything happens, you need time to act.
Okay, let's not hit these mailboxes.
That was a good turn.
I know, I'm flipping it up right now. My brother, is my brother up here? He is.
Accelerate. Just keep accelerating. What the freak are you doing? Usually when you go around turns like this, go a little bit slower.
I know, but I like going on the
My
fast.
car.
I like driving on the left side, you know? Kira, I'm not doing that.
You want to go to
Stop
Australia?
it. Yeah.
Okay, bye. Slower.
I don't want to go
And
slower.
you blinker.
I did. Okay. Nope. Yeah. What?
I'm gonna be behind you.
Okay. I'm gonna make sure to reverse then.
Huh?
Hey,
Don't slam on your brakes.
I'm going to.
Okay. She's kind of bad about that. Be careful.
Alright. Which one's your sister, dude? Which one? Oh my god, which
You
one's
said
your
that?
sister, dude? Yeah.
The hot one.
What the fuck is behind it?
Brake check. You just put on the high beam.
I don't know how.
Brake slowly. Slow complete stop.
I'm proud of myself for that stop. Karen wants to talk to us. Roll down the window. Yeah, I know. I stopped. She was like, brake check! So I was like, and I hit on the brake really hard. Hey. I need to get used to using my blinkers and that slow stop.
Now. Use the blinker now.
I know.
Or the flowers.
Yeah.
LOL.
Do I have to turn on my blinker when I'm turning this one too?
No.
Okay.
The only difference is that one, not only do you not have a permit, but second, I'm not 21.
Okay, I'm gonna turn down this one and then I'm gonna turn down the other one. But when I turn, first I have to put my blinker on. That's the wrong way. And I have to stay on that side of the road.
You have to stay on the right side of the road.
Right side. So this side is the right side for this one.
Stay on the right side this way. This is the right side.
So I have to make a wide turn. Kira, it's okay. I'm not doing too bad. I just get a little bit confused.
Turn on your blinker going that way, and then make the turn not too fast.
They're outside too. Fuck me, dude.
Do you want to brake real quick? And
Everybody's outside. Oh my god.
brake. Always stop the car before you switch that, because that messes up
I
the
don't know
car.
where Cameron's at. Can you see him?
No.
You need to
Start turning this way.
this way.
Yeah. Look through there the entire time. Turn more. You're doing. What are you doing, kid?
I don't know. I can't see, Kira.
Turn this way.
I'm gonna hit that mailbox.
Keep going. I'm watching. Keep going. Stop. And then put it in drive and start going this way. Turn it all the way before you go. Okay, stop. Turn it.
Fuck, I'm gonna hit
Stop.
that mailbox. Oh my god.
Okay.
Kira.
Hold on, listen to my words. Okay. Turn this before you accelerate at all. Turn this
Oh,
all
I
the way.
didn't. I just took my foot off the gas. That was it. Okay.
Okay, and now go. Keep going, keep going, keep
I'm
going.
going in the
keep going.
grass.
It's okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and now straighten up.
Okay. Okay. I got it now. That was really scary, Kira.
So you don't want to go out there yet?
Oh, wait. Camera, stop this.
What do you want, kid?
Because she wanted to teach me how to turn around.
It's called a 3-point turn, kid.
No, Dad doesn't care. Shut up.
That's what I'm telling her.
Go to sleep. It's past your bedtime. You're like 7. Do I get back on that side?
Yes, right side of the road.
Always the right side.
Always the right side.
But this car.
Australia, always the right. Okay, well, obviously you're gonna go around it,
Yeah.
but like always stay on the right side of the road.
Okay, one more time around the neighborhood and then we
Turn
can
on
do
your
it.
blinker now.
Oh my god, that was not the brake. I'm so sorry, Kira. I wasn't
Okay,
this
there
bad
you
when
go.
I was on the road with Ronnie.
I mean, choosing or braking to drive go. It's always nerve-wracking to drive with somebody else. Right side of the road.
I know.
There's a car that turn. You don't have to go too slow, but don't go so fast. And we're like,
I know, but I wanted to slow down a little bit.
you slow down way too quick.
I know. That's why I'm saying I need to work with that.
Brake slowly. You weren't at the stop sign.
I know, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna do that again. I'm gonna go down this way and then we're gonna do that one again.
I know it's a lot to think about, but brake slowly, but like you have to stop at the stop sign.
I know. That's why I'm saying we're gonna do
Use
it
your
again.
blinker 100 feet, so like probably about now use it. And keep going. Softly
stop.
brake. A little bit more up ahead. Keep going. Just brake. Look both ways, and then go.
As I can't see
Accelerate
anything.
slowly. Stop. Look both ways, and then accelerate slowly.
Accelerate quickly, okay.
Such a good. Hi.
Hey, Sunny. Oh, I like that car.
Okay, so put on the brake and then drive slowly. Go that way.
I just wanted to make sure there was no one behind me, like in the road.
Okay.
And then we're not gonna go too fast because we gotta stop at the stop sign.
Slowly brake. Another thing is your blind spots are going to be when you turn your shoulder and see this little corner right here, and you turn this way and see that little corner right there. That's a big thing whenever you switch lanes, because any car, you can look in that mirror and you don't see anything, but if you look right there, you'll see a car right there, and if you were to turn, you would sideswipe them, and boom, insurance.
Insurance, girl, that's why we got insurance today, you know what I'm saying?
We're going to be turning the wheel this way. Turn it all the way. Okay, just keep going. Slowly stop.
Stop, no!
Wait. Go. Slowly.
Wait, I don't want this card. I want them to go first.
Holy crap.
God.
I thought you were about to crash my car.
No.
Holy crap. Okay, go. Slowly.
Kira, I heard go, and then I started going, and then you're like stop, and I was trying to stop, and oh my god.
And you clicked on the accelerator.
Yeah, so I kept going, and then
And I was like, okay, stop. My lights flash before my eyes are going to turn, and then you're going to start turning now. Keep turning. And then straighten out. Like, more. Holy crap. Okay. Stop.
Am I too close?
I'm going to fix it. Hold on. Watch the pro do it. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, you know what? I did pretty good.
Did you say when I almost killed you?
Yeah. I was just trying to get out the grass, which I left like no room for my mother.
Anyways, guys, thank you for clicking on this video. If you liked it, click the like button. And if you want to see more of us, go to my YouTube channel. How did you feel about this?
Good until that last part. Because all I heard was keep going. So I was like, oh, okay, keep going. I'm pushing on the gas. And now
You went too fast.
I did not expect it to go that fast. And then when it went that fast, I was like, oh my fucking god, I'm gonna hit a tree. So then you're like, brake. And I was like,
Alright, but thank you guys for watching. 25-minute video.